Hello everybody, welcome back to EduTap and I hope you all guys are doing absolutely good. Are you still confused related to the numericals of commerce and accounts or other multiple components of NPS Grade A and Grade B exam? Are you still confused that which type of numerical you should do first and which particular type of numerical you should completely leave in the exam? Are you still confused related to the numerical world of NPS Grade A and Grade B exam? If the answer is yes, then please watch this particular video till the end. You will get to know that how you have to tackle the numericals pertaining to multiple components of NPS Grade A and Grade B exam. Okay. Before I start this particular video, I have one small announcement for all of you that EduTap is offering you free course of NPS Grade A and Grade B. This particular free course will help you to understand the pattern of the exam, the eligibility, what are the good number of vacancies and multiple other stuff related to NPS Grade A and Grade B. Okay, so if you enroll in this course, definitely you will get a direction in which you have to prepare for NPS Grade A and Grade B. Okay, so this free course is absolutely free. If you want to check it, you can go in the description of this particular video. You will get a link, and yes, you with that particular link, definitely you can enroll in this course for free. Now let's start this particular video, my friends. If you see, these are the phase 1 and phase 2 syllabus of NPS Grade A and Grade B. This is phase 1 syllabus and this is my phase 2 syllabus. In phase 1, if you see, if I only talk about numericals of some specialized components, then we have commerce and accounts, we have data analytics, statistics, we have your economics and finance too. Same subjects are there in phase 2 as well. If you see, your paper 2 has multiple choice questions based on multiple different components. So if you see, my friends, numericals will surely come in your exam. Numericals will surely over here I mean like 99% chances are there that you will see numericals in your exam. So you cannot ignore numericals. You cannot say that I will not attempt numericals, because see, numericals can be easy, moderate or tough. I will let you know that how you have to deal with each and every type, but first understand that you cannot ignore this particular component of numerical, and the highest chances of a numerical coming from commerce and accounts, finance, economics, data analytics and statistics are comparatively high. Now please do not say sir management से भी numerical आ सकता है. Yes, I totally agree with you that आ सकता है, but the chances of numerical coming from management is almost like 1%. Now I want you to understand that management में भी inventory management होता है, which is a component of journal management, but if you see that chances of numerical coming in your exam is just 1%. So do not take the tension of this 1%. Okay, for example, if you see pension से भी numerical आ सकता है, like calculate the premium of so and so scheme, but you again do not have to take that particular tension. एग्जाम में कुछ भी आ सकता है, बट एट द सेम एंड हम लोगों को किसकी टेंशन लेनी है? वी हैव टू टेक द टेंशन ऑफ दोस कंपोनेंट्स वेयर इन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन being asked is high. So if you see commerce and accounts, economics, data analytics and statistics and finance, these are the different components in which you will see that yes, there is a high chance of numerical coming from these topics. Okay, and among all these topics, definitely a numerical should be there in your commerce and accounts. So you cannot ignore numericals, because that will be a very bad approach. Now, once we have to decide that which particular numerical we have to do or not, see, the answer depends upon the difficulty level. Now, difficulty level can be of 3 types. It can be easy, it can be moderate, or it can be tough. Now see, easy and moderate are surely doable. They are surely doable, but tough one you have to completely leave. If you are attempting a tough numerical in the exam, or if you are even thinking to attempt, please do not do so. Because if you attempt tough numerical in your exam, definitely you are hitting yourself with a stone, which I think is not a good thing to do. So you have to attempt the questions which are easy to moderate level. Now, how to identify that whether that particular question is easy or moderate? See, some numericals are formula based. Some numericals are formula based. So if you know the formula, you will definitely get the answer. Some numericals are calculation based. Some numericals are calculation based. I hope you agree. For example, if you see what can be an example of easy to moderate, these are some examples which I have in front of me, and these are SEBI PYQs, not NPS PYQs. Okay, because currently we don't have any NPS PYQ, which because we have researched a lot, but we were not able to get any previous year question of NPS, but we have SEBI related questions, PFRD related questions, which we expect the same difficulty level for NPS as well. Okay, Now, if you see this particular question, the face value of a share is rupees 10. 1 lakh shares are issued at a premium of 10%. What amount will be transferred to security premium reserves account? Now, if you know the basics of security premium reserve account, this question can be done in 10 seconds. So, according to me, this question is not even easy. It's the most easiest. Halwa question hai, cakewalk hai. So, if you are attempting, or if you are not attempting rather, if you are not attempting this particular question, then sorry to say you are doing a very big mistake, because this is a very easy question. Now, what can be a moderate level question? A moderate level of question can be like this, that they are asking you rather to calculate interest coverage ratio. Now, interest coverage ratio, we all know that there is a formula for it. You need to calculate earning before interest and taxes. Now, how to calculate it? They have given you multiple values. So first calculate earning before interest and taxes, and then you have to divide it by total interest obligations which you are about to give. Okay, so if you know the formula, then definitely you can get the answer. But this is, according to me, is a moderate kind of question. Why moderate? Because it is based on one specific formula. If you don't know the formula, then it will go above your head. But if you know the formula, only calculation is there which you can easily do. Same goes with this. Like, see, I will not categorize this particular question as a numerical, but still many people ask me regarding accounting standards. But in commerce and accounts there are multiple accounting standards, right, which in the AS deals with cash flow statement. Now, if you know, the answer is in the AS 7. So definitely, my friends, in commerce and accounts, if you see, some questions will be numerical, some questions will be theory. So first give priority to the theoretical questions. First give priority to the theoretical questions, and then give a side importance or a equal kind of importance to the numerical. And in numerical also, first you have to start with easy and moderate, and please do not do any kind of tough numerical. Okay, like, see this particular question, calculate national income or NNP at factor cost. Calculate national income or NNP at factor cost. They have given you GNP at market price. Now you just have to deduct your, I would say, indirect taxes and consumption of fixed capital, plus you have to add subsidies. So if you do this particular calculation, you will get your answer, which is of 2 marks, and 2 marks in phase 2 is a very, very good, I would say, marks to get. Okay, so if I summarize everything for you, easy and moderate level of questions you have to do. You should not skip it. Okay, but tough numerical. Now, what is a tough numerical? This also I will show you. But again, let's see a moderate level of question. Now, they are asking you to calculate gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio, again, there is a formula for it. Right, gross profit divided by sales. Sales they have given you directly, but you have to calculate gross profit. Now you can only calculate gross profit if you know the formula, or if you know the structure of income statement. You have to take the overall sales, then you have to deduct cost of goods sold, which is COGS, and then you will get the final, I would say, gross profit. So if you are good in calculations, if you know the formula, my friends, then definitely you can attempt this particular question in the exam. This will not take more than 1 minute, because the numbers over here are not, they are not kind of confusing, they are direct straight. Okay, so subtraction, addition, this is a basic calculation which we already know. But this is a moderate one. What is a tough one? Tough one looks like this, that you have to calculate YTM of a bond. Now to calculate YTM of a bond, definitely we have the formula, but that formula itself is quite complex. So what I will do, I will just pay utmost attention to this particular question and move ahead. I will not waste my time to solve this question. Okay, so the overall understanding whether you should attempt the question or not, that depends upon the difficulty level, and I have given you the examples as well, that what kind of questions you can attempt in the exam. And yes, in phase 1, if I go to the pattern, my friends, if I go to the pattern again, this is the pattern, right, which we have for phase 1 and phase 2. This is the pattern. Now once I talk regarding phase 2 first, because your phase 1 is just qualifying. If you see, in paper 2 you are getting 100 marks for 40 minutes of duration. We expect that they will ask you 50 questions worth of 2 marks each. Now first you have to scan the theoretical questions. And do them on the priority. For example, management, for example, Companies Act, pension, you have your Indian Trust Act. So try to hit these questions first. If you see any numerical, if you see any numerical, again ask yourself whether it's easy or moderate or whether it's tough. In tough, the case is quite simple for all of us, that we will not attempt the tough numerical because it will lead to wastage of time. Then you have to give due consideration to easy and moderate. If you have time left with you, then do it. If you do not have time left with you, then definitely there is no other option to skip it only. So the basic understanding is easy or moderate को करना है, tough को नहीं करना है. And I have also given you the number of examples that how these questions can be done in your exam within less than 1 minute also. Okay, now my friends, those who want to join our courses, we are having multiple courses related to NPS Grade A and Grade B. Phase 2 full video course, Phase 1, Phase 2 full video course. We have test series also, and we have a course for additional subjects also. So if you want to definitely join our family, these are the courses which we have launched for you. Definitely all the courses are very, very good, and we have done our best to provide you the best material. Thank you for watching this particular video, and I hope you enjoyed the content. And if you need any specific video, related to NPS, then please let us know. We will definitely like help you, and we will definitely provide you the video as well. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Have a good day ahead.